Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing power and software. Plug your AirPods Max in until the battery is above 75% and make sure your phone or computer has Bluetooth enabled. Next, forget the AirPods Max in the device Bluetooth list so you remove old pair settings. This clears corrupt profiles. Once done, power cycle the headphones by holding the noise control and digital crown. This resets the Bluetooth module. Make sure your host device is on the latest iOS or Mac OS to avoid protocol mismatch. You now perform a targeted reset and repair. Hold the digital crown and noise control button together for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. That fully resets Bluetooth and settings. After the LED shows white, put them near your device and open Bluetooth scan to initiate pairing. This avoids interference from previous connections. Once paired, play audio and monitor for dropouts. If you hear issues, slowly move close to the device and toggle Wi-Fi to test for radio interference. You finish with advanced diagnostics and one key troubleshooting tip. If repairing fails, try another device to determine whether the headphones or the host is the problem. This isolates the fault. Also check firmware via a connected iPhone. Updates can resolve low-level Bluetooth bugs, then repeat the reset if an update installs. Finally, if connectivity still drops, backup diagnostics and contact Apple support or bring them to service. Bring the test device, firmware info, and a quick demo of the issue when possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.